bunk beds. Woohoo, Stella! Here's Hallie and Ty.
I'm Livy.
Oh my gosh, I'm going backwards, guys.
And Hallie, the caboose.
Cause we got all the time in the world, for better or worse, we should stay together. So let's stay young and in love, we should focus on us forever. Yeah, baby, if you are feeling like I do, we could run away across the ocean. Baby, what you say? We can leave today. Anywhere we'll go, we'll be alright. It's all about you.
Whew, happy Thursday, guys. It is cold and rainy. I just picked up all the kids from school and we're all soaked. Like my pants are soaked and everything. Ty's going up to change. It is a cold and rainy day and we're heading to even colder weather in the snow. If you are a regular on our vlog, you know that for Christmas, we gave the kids a ski trip and then we got super sick. Check out those vlogs if you haven't. And we weren't able to go. So this is when we were able to reschedule it. Kids are excited, just getting back from school and we're gonna have a good time. I'm a little worried it's gonna be freezing, but we're gonna make the best of it and we're taking you guys along with us. All right, and we are off. Hopefully we have everything. Already went back to the house a couple times, in and out, in and out, in and out. 3:11, so we've got a 3.5 hour drive ahead. Ty's real excited about that Xbox, apparently.
It's a cloud game from the Xbox.
Cloud game. Don't know what that is.
Gaming.
Ooh.
Anyway, it's snowing, so we're hoping we make it safe. And
It's raining.
It's gonna be snowing where we're going though. It's raining right now, so here we go. All right, quick update. There is a huge winter storm. We are in St. George, about an hour and a half away. We're gonna try to go up as far as we can until it's not safe. And if we need to, my dad said he'll come and get us in his bigger car with 4-wheel drive. It's the only thing we don't love about this car is we didn't think about 4-wheel drive when we got it, but we will need that in the snow. So we're gonna keep moving on and hope the plows and gravel is on the roads by the time we get up the mountain. So wish us luck. We're slipping all over the road, but we're almost there. Lots of snow. All right, had to park the car here at this little store and load all of our stuff in my dad's car. There's Ty, and there's all of our stuff. So the girl's back there?
Yes, snow is done.
Okay, it is snow, snow, snow. All right, we're on the 5th floor, no elevator. Just got here, plenty of space, but man, with the elevation, that's a workout. Hey, Quince.
Mom, there's tumbling mats right here.
Livy's ready to tumble.
It's a chilling mat.
Oh, is this the chilling room? Look at that, Liv. Awesome, let's find your bed.
Oh, my bed's over here.
So a nice table and chairs up here.
Here, my
Ooh, bunk beds? You guys can all be in here.
room.
How fun.
Quincy's right there, and I'm right here.
Okay, claim your bed. I love that. Oh, 2 beds in here. Are you guys in here?
Yeah. There's a bathroom here.
And a bathroom. What?
I need them to talk like Quincy.
Okay. Got a nice bathroom in here.
Oh, there's 2 bathrooms.
Okay, should we go eat? Okay, there's a bunk bed room, and then there's a room for Cammie and Scott, and we're downstairs.
Okay.
So I'll show you guys the downstairs. It's super nice. So Marcos and I are in here. Perfect. Grandma got Pasta Factory catered. Everyone's favorite. Marcos
Calories driving.
is in a cut mode and he's got 16 helpings here.
What's a cut mode?
And this is great.
But it looks so good. All right, apparently he finished. I think he hid some or Ty ate some, but
No way, no.
even during a cut. Now what's for dessert though? Will you have dessert?
I will.
Yeah, right.
Today is just.
Wow.
Not in Mexico, but
Not in Mexico with your wife, but in Bryan Head with the
A
fam.
little.
We ate, we had treats. Now what?
Time for bed.
Time for bed. You ready, Liv? Have you guys brushed your teeth?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go find your bunk. Okay, what bed are you in?
I'm in this bed.
What bed are you in?
This one.
Okay, go get in. All right, Stella is in the top bunk over here, I guess. Right? Where's Ty and Hallie? Libby's over here. Quincy's down here. And then Hallie and Ty. So the littles are going to bed. It's already 11 o'clock Utah time. And tomorrow we have
Ski day.
ski day. So we got to get lots of rest.
I'm so excited to go to a beach.
And you get to go to ski school with cousin Cal.
Yay!
And Hallie and Libby will be there too. We'll see you in the morning. Good night.
Bye. Bye.
All right, girlies, doing your skincare routine.
I'm leaving at 9.
Yeah, we gotta eat breakfast and get ready. Ready, Stella?
Yeah.
Stella's looking ready. Ty's ready. Cal's ready almost. All right, guys, here we go. It's gonna be a cold but fun day. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Marcos, you ready?
I'm ready.
Can I go with Mandy?
Yep, go.
Can I go with Mandy?
I guess. All right, we're all bundled up. We'll show you little bits and pieces throughout the day. Stella, you skiing?
Yeah.
Say skiing.
Alright, are you guys ready to get started?
And 2 feet.
And tubing.
Okay, so
Yep.
you come all the way down to the very end.
Stella does. Stella needs a helmet. You ready? Yeah.
But I need my neck work.
I know. We'll figure it out. Let's get you a helmet. Okay, have so much fun.
And then do you want me, am I okay to take pictures and stuff?
Yes, please take as many pictures
Bye,
as you can.
Mom.
Bye, honey.
All right.
Have so much fun.
Bye, Mama.
Okay, bye, Liv. Bye, Hallie.
Hallie's,
Have fun.
Hallie's,
Oh, that's not Hallie.
yeah, Hallie's in there because her skis are too big.
Oh, okay. They're gonna fix them?
Yeah.
Okay, have fun. All right, guys. We're finally getting on the slopes. I think it's 11:15. It's been a total joke. Needed cash for the lockers. Went to get an ATM. The ATM malfunctioned. Ate my money. Thankfully, a good Samaritan gave me $40 cash, and I just Venmoed him, so I had plenty for the lockers. And then this other girl, poor thing, was like crying. It's just a frustrating process. But we're here. We're ready to get on the slopes. I think we have an hour now until we pick up all the kids. But they're having fun somewhere. I'll try to catch some shots as I head down. All right, me and Ty, we're on the lift. Marcos is over there practicing on the little mini bunny hill. This is our first run. It's cold, guys. It's like, I already feel the wind burn, and it's snowing and the sun is not out. But we're gonna make the best of it.
The snow was out earlier, so maybe
The snow was out earlier, or the
or
sun?
the sun. I think it'll cut back.
Yeah, I don't do well in the cold, but hopefully we have a good time and everyone stays safe, and let's get going. Hopefully that sun can come out, but I don't see it coming at all. No sign of the sun, so wish us luck. All right, there's Ty. It is some nice fresh powder. I'm gonna go down ahead and see if I can catch some clips of Marcos and the girls. You ready, Ty? I mean, look at this powder. Woo-hoo! You having fun?
Yeah.
Is this your first run on the lift?
Second.
No, second.
Woo! Good job. Can't wait to see you. You can go in front of us. Good job, Stella. There goes Stella with her instructor. Ready? Yeah. Marcos is on the lift, so we're just waiting on him, and then we'll all go down together. Well, there he is. You got your warm-up in?
Yeah,
Okay.
it wasn't good, but
Stella's right there.
oh,
Haven't seen Hallie and Livy.
We came in and we had our hot cocoa and another fruit snack.
Nice.
She did awesome. What do we do when we get off the lift? Show Mom. What do we do with our arms to get off? What do we, and then where do we lean? And then what do we do with our feet? Pizza.
Pizza.
Right?
Awesome.
And so,
How was your ski school?
Good.
Good.
hey, you have so much.
Hallie, was yours good?
Okay.
Okay.
You practice with your
Awesome.
mom too, right? We practice our turns. We don't just go straight down, right?
That's right. All right, it is time for lunch. So here's what we got. How is it, Ty? Orange chicken? So I didn't record the rest of the time because we went on a higher lift and it was freezing, and every time I took out the camera, my hands were cold. So kids are done with ski school. They did awesome. We're gonna go on a few more runs and I'll catch some shots. All right, Stella, show us your stuff. Good job. Good. Good job, Stella. Woohoo, Stella! Have fun! You're doing great. I know. Good job, Stella. Pizza, pizza. Pizza, pizza. Pizza. Good job. You didn't fall. That was awesome. You got to push really hard, okay?
very good.
Good job. Do you want to go again?
Yeah.
Do you want to go on the other lift that's like longer?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, guys, heading down the hill. We got all the kids in tow. Stella's doing awesome so far. Marcos is doing a lot better. We've got a few runs under our belt. I'm gonna carry up the tail in case anyone falls and then get a few shots. You got it, Stella! Woohoo! All right, is that Livy? Hey, Liv. How you doing?
Good.
Good, let's see it. You okay, Liv?
Owen,
Yeah,
I'm gonna go to the strip.
Need help?
It's fun.
All right, you got it.
look that fun.
Show me how it's done. You got it, Liv. There's Hallie and Ty up there. Good job. Woohoo! Here's Hallie and Ty. Good job.
I never fell that time.
We are on the ski lift with Livy.
It's cold.
It is cold. Liv,
What?
having fun?
Yep. I haven't fell once.
I think this is my last run and I'm gonna take Stella back to rest before we go tubing. What about
Okay.
you? Are you done after this?
No.
No? Marcos?
I don't know yet.
Okay, we'll see. It's cold. Alright guys, we went back. We had some drinks and snacks and got everything right back on, and we're going to go tubing. Right, Stella?
Yeah.
Your favorite.
I loved it.
She's been wanting to tube the whole time. It's snowing and cold still, but it's gonna be a good time. Are you gonna take the camera with you?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Stella, taking the camera?
Yeah.
You see yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, you ready to go?
Yeah.
Hey, Liv, you're up.
Ready?
Oh, there goes Hallie. Woohoo!
stop recording.
All right, Chelsea and I are back on the belt, and all the kids are there. They're having a race. Oh, there's Quince, Ty, Livy, and Hallie. Straggler. She's sitting. No.
Grandpa, Dad.
Okay, all four. Who's gonna win? Go, Stella.
You won't know when they do walk across from me.
I know. Come on, Livy. It stopped snowing, so that's nice. Gets a little cold when it starts snowing into your face. You got goggles and a neck warmer. It still gets cold. But this is so fun. We have an hour and a half to do this. Oh, there's Mom. And Hallie, the caboose.
Oh my gosh, I'm going backwards, guys. I'm going forward. Oh my God, let's go. Sad. So sad.
Oh, I still got it. Ah, come on. Looks like you won. You beat me.
Yeah.
I lost.
All right, we went down 4 or 5 times and it's coming down. I don't know if you can tell, it's snowing hard. So we're heading back, and Ty, Hallie, and Livy decided to stay with Marcos. But it was a fun-filled day, just cold. Did you have fun tubing?
Yeah.
But you're done?
Yes.
Okay. All right, we're having pizza and some yummy salad bar tonight. All right, it's a couple hours later. We're back home. We're getting ready for bed, checking out some school assignments, catching up. So did you guys have fun skiing and for the weekend? You still love it?
I love it. I think I improved a lot.
Great.
Thanks for watching. Hope you liked this vlog. Subscribe, ring that notification bell, and we'll see you next time.